it's your boy Markel back at it again with another video for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy the video, man. Hey, real quick before we get into it some more, subscribe. Take a second to hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get to 500, bro. That is the goal right now. Get to 500. And hit the notification button when you know when a new video comes out. But anyways, you guys see the title. You know what I'm saying? We're doing an unboxing today, man. Look, I'm thinking about doing some different stuff with some like content, some more different types of content. I'm thinking about going out and just talking to people. I just gotta find a cameraman. That's it. I need a cameraman. Somebody that can actually be out there in the field, you know what I'm saying, on the battlefield, you know what I mean? But anyways, I need somebody out there that's gonna record me so I can actually start talking to people. And I was looking around trying to find like some mics that I can use that's wireless, bro. It's so hard to find a mic that is wireless for a GoPro that is not so expensive, bro. And to be honest, you're gonna have to come out, you know, with a little bit of money with it if you want something good, bro. But I found one for you guys, man. You know what I'm saying? Basically, look no further. It's cheaper than the ones out there like Rode, or was it Rod or Rode? And what was the other one? JL something. I don't know, man. Those are the ones you're looking at because they're, you know, considered the best ones out there right now. Look no further. I got something that's better. That's gonna, you know, give you so much for less money. You feel me? Just a single on both of those is about $200, almost $300. You feel me? So I was like, nah, bro, I'm not trying to spend that much on a wireless mic, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Once you get the subscribers up, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Once I support your boy, then maybe. Don't mind my dog right there. He's just like smelling everything, even though he's been in this area 50,000 times. But yeah, anyways, so let's go ahead and get straight into it, my boy. Y'all see it, man. The Holland Mark IIs. You feel me? That's what we on today. All right, GoPro has started, man. Let's do it. So anyways, these are the Holland Mark IIs. I'm telling you guys, you see what they come with? They come with the ones you put in your phones, and these things up here is two wireless mics that you can put into a camera. You feel me? Or a regular camera, a GoPro is what I got. This is what you looking at me right now from. You feel me? But yeah, man, it has all of that. And y'all want to know how much it costs, bro? Like I said, the other ones, just for a single mic, bro, it's like $200, $300. This, all it is, the phones for the USB-C and the regular iPhone slot, you know what I'm saying, whatever. And then you got the two wireless right here, only like 120, 30, bro. Like I said, you're gonna have to give up a little bit of something, but it's not crazy. It's not no $200, $300, bro. Like, chill out, bro. Chill out, fam. And I can put the link in the description to the direct website for you guys, so y'all can go straight into it and get these. You feel me? But if you want to know a little bit more, I'm just gonna unbox them. If you guys are interested on how it sounds with the GoPro, let me know, because I know it's difficult trying to find a video out there that's like gives you a demonstration of how it sounds on the GoPro, especially the 11. Because I know the 12, I think it's like Bluetooth and it works with a lot of things. So anything like the 11 and under, let me know if y'all want to see if these will work with them. I'm definitely I know they work for the 11. And if you guys want to see how they sound and stuff, comment below, like the video. You know what I'm saying? Show the love, show the support, show that y'all really want to know more. And I'll definitely do that for you guys, because I know it's difficult trying to find that video that just demonstrates, or finding that video is like, yo, okay, these are the ones I want to get. I'm telling you, look no further, these are the ones you want to get. You feel me? Especially if you're trying to get a wireless mic for your GoPro. You feel me? If you don't have the 12, of course. But let's go ahead and open this thing up and show you guys all the little things that come with it. You feel me? All right, so first of all, let me read the back side. The back side, it says button size. You know, the wireless mics are button size. Then you got the 48 hertz, 24 bytes or bits, my bad. And then universal compatibility, so they can go with your phone, go with your camera, go with your GoPro, all of that. And then they got enhanced ENC. The video I seen, the dude was doing like a motorcycle wind test. It was windy, he's riding a motorcycle, and he using like one of the expensive ones. These sound better with the wind reduced thing on, bro. I don't know what it is, but these I was like, when I seen that, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get them joints, especially since they're cheaper. And then 40-hour battery life. That's because it comes with a case. As you can see back there, that case allows you to get that much life. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna be needing your mic for that long, you feel me? But if you do, you can just slap them in there, charge them real quick, and get right back to work, you feel me? So that's great, you know what I mean? And I heard that the mics, you go last like 7 hours until you need to charge them, so that's awesome. You know, I feel like I don't need that much time unless I'm like doing one of my travel videos and I'm just continuously recording, but I don't record that much, and usually I'm using the phone with my hand because I don't have a cameraman. But yeah, man, so that's what it says in the back. I'm gonna figure it out. Give me a second. Oh, yeah, the bottom. All right, the bottom. Okay. Oh, whoa. Hold on now. Ooh. That looks smooth. I like that. I like that a lot. And we got a little package here on the top. Pretty sure this is oh, okay. Y'all see that? You know what I mean? Okay, and then it shows you all the pieces right here. You see all the pieces right there that it comes with. Oh, and they got stickers. I didn't realize they got some stickers right here too. That's smooth. They got the stickers in there. Okay, manual and all of that. All right, I like that. Take out the case. The case is not massive. I thought the case was gonna be big, bro. Look how big the case is, man. And my span of my hand is like 90. You know what I mean? A 9 or whatever it is, but bro, that's smooth. That's not big at all. That's definitely travel size. You can put that in. You can put that really anywhere. I like that. Okay, that's a case. Let's take out these things down here. Things at the bottom. Oh, okay. So you see what I'm saying? So this one right here, it's not the USB-C, but you have this. This will work. You know what I mean? Plug that in, and you can use the mics, the wireless mics. And then this one is the USB-C. Yep, the USB-C, as you can see. That's with my iPhone. I got USB-C. I got the 15. I want to get the 16, but I ain't really tripping. As long as I got Apple Intelligence. You feel me? I'm not really tripping about it. Anyways, but yeah, we got the USB-C and then the charger on the side. So I guess you got to charge both of them separately. I'm going to be using the USB-C most of the time anyways. So we're going to go ahead and see what's underneath here. Take this out. See what we got. It's like a little... You just lift that up right there. Okay. Ooh, the little pouch. A little pouch at the bottom. Yeah, a little pouch. Okay. I like that a lot. Okay. Holland, man. Hollyland. Hey, excuse me, man. Excuse me if I've been saying it wrong. I'm pretty sure it's Hollyland, maybe. Anyways, we're gonna go with Hollyland, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and open this pouch up, see what we got. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it's all the rest of the pieces that we seen. Yeah. Whoa, there's like a little thing that keeps it down in there. There's like this little thing that like keeps everything from falling out. I like that, that's cool. Even though I like just dropped something. I literally just dropped something. Okay, so look. Let's start with these right here. So we got the little, I don't know what you call these things. What you call it? Whatever, you know what these is, man. Little puffer things you put on the mics. Yeah, I'm gonna pull one out. Yeah, one of these. You see it? Yeah. Just slap that on. You can see the little slot for where the mic will go right there. Them things must be small. I'm about to open that joint soon. See how small them joints really is. But that's what those are. Let me go ahead and put that back in there. See what this is. What this is. Oh, it's the little clips. These are the little clips that you put onto you can like hook it onto your shirt or something like that. I'm pretty sure there's magnets too, but it just depends on like what you want to do. we're gonna find out. Okay, yeah. So it is a magnet. You see, like there's a magnet in the back. You put the mic there and you just clip it on. Yes, sir. That's smooth. And they just clip on like that. Okay. I like that. So far, so good, my boy. I'm liking all of this. And then we got, this is right here what you need for the GoPro. But you do need, first of all, let me tell you this. You're going to need a media mod. All right? If you made it this far, I really hope you made it this far. Do not buy it yet. Get yourself a media mod first, or you're going to be disappointed, okay? And this is what a media mod looks like. Grab it right here. Don't mind the box. You need one of these. All right. You need a media mod. This is what you're going to need. Big facts, bro. Big facts. You're going to need this because the back of the GoPro has 3 slots in it. There's a USB-C. There's a basically like an aux or whatever that you can use on one of these. You know what I'm saying, in the back of it. And then like a regular like Android charger that you would put in the back of it. One of those. I'm not sure what that's called, but yeah, I have to look into that. So it has those 3. USB-C, one of these little aux things for the audio, and something that you use for like an Android. So here's the charger right here. Got the charger, USB-C charger, fast charging, you know what I'm saying? So that's you gotta love that, right? You gotta love fast charging. And then we got another cord here. We'll open this up. See what that is. Ooh. Ooh. Are these like, oh, they got the necklaces. Yo, that's dope. Bro, the necklaces are magnets. You can just put them as a necklace, bro, and just walk around with them. Yo, they're bro. Oh shoot, I dropped something. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. You can wear it as a necklace too. Just clip them right here or use them as a necklace. I like that a lot. Definitely gonna have to see how that sounds doing that. But yeah, that's pretty much all the little parts there. Now it's time to get to the best part, the box, the actual mics. Man, this thing is small. I love it. It looks so nice and sleek and modern. Futuristic, low-key. Come on now. Come on out of there. Get that little beautiful thing out of there. Ooh, it opened. Yo, I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Those are the mics right there, bro. Oh, and this thing right here is what goes to like the GoPro or whatever, and you can like change the settings and whatnot. Dude, you can see like it lights up when it's charged. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that's hard. That's dope. And look at this. Snaps right up. Yo, that bit snaps just on and on. That's meant to secure. USB-C charging in the back. Let's go ahead and take one of these mics out, man. Yes. Here's one of the mics. Oh, it has a magnet in the back. It comes with an additional. Woo-hoo. You see that? Snap that joint on. Yeah. Ooh, I can't wait, bro. I'm finna be. Put that thing right here. Oh, you see it? Hey, that thing right there, man. Hey, I'm definitely gonna test this out, bro. I love that. That's just like, it just goes with the fit. Like no one really knows. Like that's so. It just looks like a regular button. Like you know what I'm saying? Like. That's hard. That's hard. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Look no further. These are it. These are it, bro. After hearing the whole wind and video, I was like, yeah, the audio on these are straight with me. They sound good to me, man. Hey, compared to other ones, ain't not that much of a difference. You feel me? So I'm definitely gonna check that out. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. I don't even know if I showed you guys the size, but yeah, that's the size, man. Look at that. That's nice. That's small and it really has good audio. I love that a lot. And then the other part that goes to the GoPro here, this is what has the connection from the wireless to, you know, the GoPro. And from my understanding, if you walk a certain distance, I don't know what the distance is with this one here, but I won't be going like mad far anyways. I might have to test that out too. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I will do that. But yeah, so basically if you look away, it might, you know, depending on how far you are, it'll lose connection. If it faces it, great connection, very long, much of a farther distance and stuff. Ooh, this thing turns. I wonder what that's for. A little turn, like it must be like some type of resistance or volume or something. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look more into it. I really like it. It's really sleek, nice. I don't know if there's, hold on, let me see. I'm gonna turn it on. I wonder if I gotta hold the button here. Oh, it turned on right there. So it blinks. You see the blinking? It's blinking blue. You know what I mean? See if y'all can see it right there. Blinking blue. I'm pretty sure it's just looking for the mics when I turn those on. And it has a little mute button here. Little thing, that's where it charges there. And then it has the clip on. So I can just clip it onto the top of the GoPro. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. It's really nice. It's small. You feel me? not taking up a lot of space and all of that. Hey man, I think these might be the ones, bro. This might be the ones. The Hollylands, yeah. I'm definitely gonna put it in the description below, so you guys can get yourself some. I'm definitely hoping to find a cameraman and get some great content for you guys, bro. I'm excited. I can't wait to really test out the audio for myself. And you know, if you guys want to see it, look out for more future videos. Like I said, subscribe, man. Subscribe, bro. I'm trying to tell you, let's do it. Run it up, run it up. Hit the notification button. And yeah, man, if I don't see anything, like you guys are interested on what it sounds like and stuff, I'll probably move on. You guys can probably find other videos. Other than that, let me know. Or just be on the lookout for any videos from me from using them. You feel me? So, but that's pretty much all. That's it, man. Oh man, I just love looking at this. I really love looking at this. I can really just take this thing anywhere, bro. I love it. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it works with the GoPro when I know it does. I just want to test it out myself, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited for the future when it comes to content, especially with these. And I hope you guys are. So again, subscribe to the channel. Like the video if I helped you guys out. If you want to know more, comment below. But I'm telling you, as a person, a normal person that's trying to come up to the rest of you content creators or people who's trying to be content creators, this is the way to go when it comes to an affordable, good quality wireless mic. You know what I'm saying? With your phone, as you've seen, with your camera, with your GoPros, all of that. This is the way to go. You get all of these pieces for a lot less. Where the Rode and the J, whatever, those you only get one mic, one receiver for $300, $400. Like, bro, no. Get the Hollylands. These are the way to go. I'm trying to save y'all some time. If you want to know more, please comment. I want to help you guys out, make the right decision. And I'm gonna check these out myself. Either way, I got them, and I'm gonna move on with it. And let's get this, you know, channel popping. And like I said, like the video, and that's pretty much it, man. I didn't want to make this too long, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your boy Markel, aka Me Money, aka Made, is out. Subscribe to the channel, man. Let's do it. Let's get to 500. I love y'all. Peace.
Made. Yeah. Gucci on my shoes. Gucci on my ice. Gucci on my dab. Looking hecka nice.
Louis on my bag. Louis on my ice. Louis on my dab. Looking really fly.